Advocate Sanjukta Dey. She represents Nikita Jacob, a practicing lawyer of the Bombay High Court, who is right now seeking a transit anticipatory bail with regards to a case that has been registered in Delhi. What was the reason? Why has she come now to the High Court?
See, an MBW is already issued. Okay. She is anticipating her arrest. So the basic remedy will be an anticipatory bail application. In this case, the proper jurisdiction will be the Delhi High Court. But since she's a resident of Mumbai, so in that way she's praying for a transit APA.
Okay.
Yes.
So, but she has already been questioned in this case.
She has already been questioned. Her statement has already been recorded. Panchnama and everything has already been done. All her devices have been seized. This morning, all her family's devices and everything has been seized.
Okay.
So as on today, she has always been cooperating with the investigating authority.
Okay. And what is it that, the fact that she's also written in her anticipatory bail application that she's also registered a counter complaint? What is that counter complaint about?
See, at present, we are not in a position to comment on that. We will be counter complaint on something we will be addressing later stage, not at present.
Okay. So what is it she's seeking in that anticipatory bail application? And she's also said that, she has been participating, and been supporting the farmers as well.
See, on a matter of sympathy, if we talk to me, and everybody has been sympathizing with the farmers. But to me personally, that doesn't attract any kind of sedition charges or something. But in any which ways, the investigating authority did seem to be right to be. Whatever it is has to be decided before the proper court. In respect of support and everything, that is her personal choice. We can only defend her. The Honorable Court will take a final decision as to any charges that have been laid against her. Does matter or doesn't? Okay. Does counter or doesn't? So,
did she at any point actually edit out anything like what we have seen in that?
I think whatever charges has laid against her, false or true, will be all the evidences will be provided before the Honorable Court.
Okay, just last question would be, she's seeking anticipatory bail here. 4 weeks' time is what
Yes.
you're asking for.
Yes.
But where is she right now is something that everyone wants to know.
Well, she is in a as and when called upon, she will be present before the Honorable Court. That is all I can say. Yes.
So that was Sanjukta Dey representing Nikita Jacob, and she says that Nikita Jacob at the moment is right now around, and she will be appearing in the court as and when called by the court. With cameraman Vijay Desai in Mumbai, Vidya for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.